Hello everyone, welcome to Crime Files Exposed. In today's video, we'll explore a fascinating topic that highlights the delicate balance between humans and the animal kingdom. Join us as we uncover the surprising stories of animals that, albeit unintentionally, pose threats to humans. First of all, can they actually commit crimes? The answer is no. This is because they do not possess the moral agency or intent necessary to commit crimes in the human sense. Crime is a human concept that involves the violation of laws or societal norms. Animals, on the other hand, act based on their natural instinct and the survival needs rather than a conscious understanding of right or wrong. The aggressive or harmful behaviors are generally driven by factors such as territory defense, self-preservation, or reproduction rather than criminal intent. Therefore, it is more accurate to describe animal behavior in terms of natural instincts and ecological dynamics rather than crimes. The question now is, which animal possesses the most threat to humans? Number 1. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are tiny buzzing insects that may seem harmless, but they pose significant threats to humans. Mosquitoes are notorious for transmitting various diseases, making them one of the deadliest creatures on the planet. They act as vectors for diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, and the West Nile virus. According to Pfizer 2023, mosquitoes can cause more than 700,000 deaths worldwide every year. Understanding the breeding habits and preferred habitats of mosquitoes is essential for effective mosquito control strategies such as eliminating standing water, using larvicides, or employing mosquito traps. Number 2. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are powerful predators armed with strong jaws and razor-sharp teeth. They are skilled ambush hunters. Their ability to remain motionless for an extended period allows them to launch sudden, devastating attacks. They are territorial creatures, and any perceived threats or potential food source can trigger their aggressive behavior. Protecting their territory, nest, or young can lead to dangerous encounters with humans who venture too close. With their impressive size and strength, crocodiles command respect. They can crush bones and inflict severe injuries. Thus, understanding the threats associated with crocodiles is essential for promoting safety in areas where they reside. Respecting their natural habitats, following guidelines for encounters, and exercising caution near the water's edge are crucial steps to coexist with these apex predators. Number 3. Hippopotamus. Hippos, gentle giants of the water, possess a hidden danger that often goes underestimated. Despite their herbivorous nature, hippos are responsible for numerous human deaths in Africa each year. With their massive size, powerful jaws, and the sharp tusks, they can swiftly turn aggressive and territorial, especially during the mating season or when their young are threatened. Their ability to charge with remarkable speed and their propensity for flipping boats or attacking people on land makes them a formidable threat. We must understand the potential danger that hippos pose, as it is crucial for promoting safety and maintaining a respectful distance from these seemingly docile creatures. Number 4. African elephants. African elephants, revered for their intelligence and majestic presence, can also pose a threat to humans under certain circumstances. Despite their gentle nature, they are powerful animals that can become aggressive if they feel threatened or their social structure is challenged. Encounters with elephants in the wild can turn dangerous, especially when they feel the need to protect their young or defend their territory. With their massive size, long tusks, and long trunks, they have the potential to cause significant harm or even fatalities. It is essential to approach elephants with caution, respect their space, and adhere to responsible wildlife viewing guidelines to ensure the safety of both humans and these magnificent creatures. In conclusion, while animals cannot commit crimes in the human sense, some species can pose significant threats to humans due to their natural behaviors and characteristics. Understanding these potential dangers and adopting respectful and cautious approaches are essential for coexisting with these animals and ensuring the safety of both humans and wildlife. By respecting their habitats and implementing appropriate safety measures, we can strive for a harmonious relationship with the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay safe everyone. Goodbye!